Welcome to another video, Beauty by Dave, where we play with makeup products just for fun. Hi, I'm Dave. It must be Saturday. It must be time for another video. Oh my gosh. Are you having as much fun as I am? I don't think so, honey. All right, today look what we got. We got the Rare Beauty. We got the new Tinted Pressed Finishing Powder, baby. Bam! It's a great little, fun little shape. Look at that fun little shape there. Gotta love the fun little shape there in the afternoon. You know, boom. Look at that. That's powder. Ooh. It's got a miroir. Hello. So I've been playing with this powder for about a week now, and I'm loving it. I'm really liking it, to be very honest with you. I got a very deep shade. Much deeper than I actually need, you know. It's sort of like a light bronzer. I'm using it for like very wild purpose. Probably completely differently than what it's like for, but you know, that's okay. We're doing a 2-ingredient look today. Loving these Morphe Hot Shots. So we're gonna take this in peach and we're just gonna blush our entire face with it pretty much. You know, I'm just gonna take a big old drop. Oop, so that big old drop is okay. Oh, there we go. Nice big old drop. And then to be very honest, I got the cream and liquid blush brush from Morphe when I picked up this Hot Shot, and I'm loving it. It's a really good applicator. So we're just gonna go right into the cheek, hard, and then we're just gonna go all over. We're gonna go under the eye, all over the cheek, go up to the forehead. We're just giving ourselves a nice peach base. All right, other side. All right, there we go. Got the blush. Go with the under eye. Don't go in the eye. You can if you want to. Onto the forehead. We're gonna get that nose nice and good. All right, now we're just gonna do a stipple everywhere. Stipple everywhere, baby. All right, and so this is just gonna be our only cream product. Now we've just got a very nice, glowy, peachy base. Boop, boop. All right, and so now we're gonna use this real fun Rare Beauty Tinted Pressed Finishing Powder. The shade I chose was Almond. It's got an olive hue. I've discovered that things that have an olive undertone, they just tend to look a little bit better on me. I don't know, do I have olive undertone skin? I don't really think so, but for some reason I've noticed that the olive, you know, I'm interested in the olive, you know? So that's what you do. All right, so I got a nice kind of fluffy powder brush here. And I'm just gonna kind of like go into town here. I'm just gonna kind of pick up a good amount of this stuff. And then I'm gonna get a little excess off. First thing I like to do is kind of go up to my hollows. Wow, okay, I was using a much denser brush before. And so this is not very dense, so it's not picking up very much product, but this is gonna be much better. Ooh wee. So we're gonna use a lot of product. I'm gonna get it real. Just gonna kind of go crazy over here because I want to put some color into my skin here, and it's working beautifully. You can see there's just a very nice little subtle addition of color. So we're just gonna try to get into my little forehead hollows that I like to get as dark as possible. So we're gonna add just a little bit more up there. All right. Okay, and then with whatever's left, we're just gonna kind of go in on the rest of the forehead. And this is gonna work as our setting powder. It's gonna just give our skin a really just nice kind of blue, as they say. All right, so we're just kind of going crazy. We're gonna do the cheeks. We're just gonna go down on the cheek, get it all up in the eye, get it everywhere. Boom, boom, boom. I want to say it almost has a smell, but it kind of doesn't. All right, look at that. Lots of powder today. You guys know I've been on a cream journey for a while, but we are now very interested in powders. Because I just keep noticing that I guess I'm just oily. I got oilies, and these powders are actually working well for me. All right, so we've kind of just powdered the house down, you know. And you know, we really just kind of boom, boom, boom. Closing that. I think that might be the lurk. Is that it? I think it might be. It looks really subtle. I've got nice color on my skin. I got a very subtle glow underneath for a base. I look fresh. I look nice. I look like a very elevated version of myself than where I was, 5-10 minutes ago, which has actually been 6 minutes. It took about 5.5 minutes to do that. So I think this is a great look for me. This achieves pretty much everything that I try to achieve. I could do this with 20 different products and I would pretty much get this same result. So really liking this Rare Beauty Tinted Pressed Finishing Powder. So, go check it out. There's a lot of shades, so you can use it for however you want. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to feature, I also got these powder puffs. I haven't even used them or opened this box, so let's open this real quick. All right. Because I've just been using a brush ever since I got that powder because I liked it so much. But I wanted to get this cute little puff. Because you're a cute little puff. Cute little puff there, Dave. Oh, that is some luxe shit. Look at that. That is luxurious. Ooh, girl. That's cool. I mean, I haven't really done a puff yet, so... Oh, wow. That is like fucking velour or like silk. Oh my god, it's a fucking pillow. It feels lovely. Wow. I've been wanting to get a puff. I'm glad I splurged and got this puff because it seems to be very nice. And there's 2 of them. Wow, one comes in just a regular plastic bag, and then one comes in this nice, like, style plastic bag. Wow. Y'all are weird. What the? There's a spare, I guess, and then there's a good bag. This is like your travel bag, I'm guessing. Oh, but then it's just in a bag again. Wow. Cool. So, yeah, there's some puffs. This is supposed to go with the powder. So, someday I'll use that with the powder, There you go. Other than that, I would just do some little finishing setting spray. My Charlie Tilbury. So, yeah, then I'll just do a little... Press that in real quick. There you go. Okay, it's Saturday afternoon. I'm ready to go take on the day. Oh my god, I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. This is a great powder. I really recommend it. It feels fantastic. Some products, you know how it is. They just feel good. I've been wearing this for a week, and I can't stop putting it down. And I achieved a two-part look today. So, lovely. You guys have a great day. Please comment below if you've tried this. Please like the video, because I like you. And please subscribe, so we can be a fun community together of, beginner boy beauty people. Have a great day. Bye-bye.